Hello, welcome to N-A-LI-ZING. In the previous lecture we have seen what are probability tree diagrams, why we draw them and how to draw them. In this lecture we'll see the questions, how to solve those questions after drawing the probability tree diagrams. So here's the question. John is going to play one tennis match and one chess match. The probability that he'll win the tennis match is 3 by 10. The probability that he'll win the chess match is 3 by 7, which means he's actually playing two different matches. Now the questions are: part 1, work out the probability that John will lose both the matches. Second, work out the probability that he'll win both the matches. And third is work out the probability that he will win only one match. It means definitely there are two different events. That means when there are more than one events, we have to use probability tree diagrams. Okay, so this is for first match, which is tennis. So this is for tennis match. And this one is for, we can say, chess match. See, tennis match, there are two probabilities. If he is playing tennis match, definitely either he can win or he'll lose. There are two options. So it's already given that the probability that he will win is 3 by 10. That means if he wins, it's 3 by 10. And if he loses the match, then it will be, because sum of probabilities are always equals to 1. So if winning is 3 by 10, so losing will be 1 minus 3 by 10, which is 7 by 10. He had played the tennis match. Now it's the time for chess match. If he wins the tennis match, then there are two possibilities for the chess match. Either he can win or he can lose. So he can win or he can lose. For winning, the probability is given as 3 by 7. The probability that he'll win in the chess match is 3 by 7. So this is 3 by 7. And if he loses that match, it will be 1 minus 3 by 7, which will be 4 by 7. Again, if he wins the tennis match, then definitely, again there are two possibilities. Either he can win or he can lose. Chess match. So probability of winning chess match is 3 by 7 and losing is, we have calculated, 4 by 7. So that's how we have to complete this or draw this tree diagram. Now one by one let me see the parts. So first one is work out the probability that John will lose both the matches. Okay, so what's the probability John will lose the tennis match? He has to, the question is he will lose both the matches, which means we have to see those probabilities where he is losing the matches both. So probability of losing tennis match is 7 by 10. This is for tennis. And probability of losing chess match is 4 by 7. So if he loses tennis match, this one, we have to select this branch, and this branch leads us to these two one, and we have to select the losing one. So this is 4 by 7. That means the probability that he will lose both the matches are 7 by 10 multiplied by 4 by 7, which will give you 2 by 5. So this is the probability. You need to multiply them together. Let me see the part second. It says work out the probability that he will win both the matches. So we have to select that branch in which he is winning. So the probability of winning tennis match, in this branch he is winning the tennis, that is 3 by 10. And this branch leads us to these two one, but since we have to calculate the probability of both the winning one, so we have to choose this one, winning one. So it will be 3 by 10 multiplied by 3 by 7. So probability of him winning both the matches are 3 by 10 multiplied by 3 by 7, which will give you 9 by 70. This is the answer for second part. This one's for first part. Now we have to see, work out the probability that he will win only one match. So there are two possibilities. Only one match, which means either he'll win the tennis match or he will win the chess match. If he wins the tennis match, if he is winning the tennis match, then he has to lose the chess match. And if he has won the chess match, then definitely it means he has lost the tennis match. So we have to work assuming he won the tennis match. That means he has to lose the chess match. So this branch leads us to this branch, but we have to select the losing one. Why? Because only one match they are talking about. So for winning, if first is winning, then second has to be losing one. So 3 by 10 multiplied by 4 by 7. 3 by 10 multiplied by 4 by 7. But there is another option also, which means in this option he is winning tennis but losing chess. But the second option is he can lose tennis and win chess match. So we have to choose that branch in which he is losing the tennis match. The probability of losing the tennis match is 7 by 10. Now this branch leads us to these two. If he is losing the tennis, then he has to win the chess match, which means this one. He has to win. So losing is 7 by 10 and winning the chess is 3 by 7, which will give you 3 by 7. And this one is 2, 5, that means 6 by 35. Now we need to add them. These two are probabilities. Then these are either or condition. These are or condition, and when there is a or condition, you need to add them. So 6 by 35 plus 3 by 7 is the probability when he will win only one match. Now to solve this 6 by 35 plus 3 by 7, I need to make the denominator same. So multiply this by 5, multiply this by 5, I'll get 6 by 35 plus 15 by 35, which will give me 21 by 35, or I can write 3 by 5. So final answer for this one is 3 by 5. Answer for this one is 9 by 70, and answer for this one is 2 by 5. This is how we can solve a probability tree diagram or the questions on probability tree diagrams. In the next class, we'll see more tougher questions. As of now, that's it. So if you want to have a live class with me, the address of my site is given in my description box. So that's it for today. Thank you. Stay tuned.